over-allocations with either the resource or the resource graph tools. To apply a filter to the task sheet, open the View menu and then choose More Views. In the More Views dialog box, we'll select Task Sheet and click the Apply button. The filters we use are in a drop-down list on the Formatting toolbar that currently reads All Tasks. We click on the drop-down arrow button to the right of the filter box and choose Task Range. We do this by dragging the pointer downward. Now enter a task range of 12 through 15 in the Task Range ID dialog box and click on the OK button. This filter allows us to view only tasks 12 through 15. The Task Range filter is used to single out a specific area in our project. Next, drop the filter list and show Critical. Project 98 now displays only the critical tasks. This display allows us to see the most important tasks, their duration, costs, and resources. The Gantt chart can also be filtered to show only selected information. We need to open the View menu and select Gantt chart to filter its data. From the filter list, we'll choose Summary Tasks. This collapses the view to include only the summary tasks. Notice the black graph bars. If top-level tasks is chosen from the filter list, it displays only the most important tasks for the project. Now we'll apply filters to the Resource Sheet view. Let's open the View menu and select Resource Sheet. We are using the Resource Sheet view because it displays information about each resource in a spreadsheet-like format. We've chosen to view our over-allocated resources at this time. So we need to choose over-allocated resources from the filter list. The over-allocated items are the only tasks appearing in the list. Filtering is one way we can find conflicts between the available resources and the tasks. If we have assigned a resource to work on more than one task at the same time, it has been over-allocated. Or if we schedule a resource to work more hours than are available in the resource calendar, it is also over-allocated. We need to open an additional toolbar for the next exercise. Go to the View menu and select Toolbars. From the Flyout menu, select Resource Management. The new toolbar appears below the Formatting toolbar. Now let's return to the Gantt chart by selecting it from the View menu. We can also use the Go to Next Over-Allocation button in the Resource Management Formatting toolbar to locate over-allocations. The Go to Next Over-Allocations button is represented by a blue and red bar graph on the Resource Management toolbar. The active bracket immediately goes to the first over-allocated resource. If we click the button again, we see the next overextended resource. And when we have viewed the last over-allocation, a dialog box appears stating that there are no more over-allocations. To identify all the over-allocated resources by name, we can either use the Resource Sheet or the Resource Usage view. If a resource is over-allocated at any time during the life of our project, the resource name appears in red.